I tell you of true love, will you listen? If I sing of wondrous love, will you hear?
Pastor, remember when we prayed all night and the heavens opened? What changed?
You used to lead us in fire and in faith. Where did your passion go?
You told us never to stop believing. When did you stop believing?
You taught us to worship in spirit and in truth. Why don't we hear your voice anymore?
You said God hasn't given up on his people. Then why did you give up on yourself?
Don't give up. Don't give up on yourself. You can never fail. You can fight against the kingdom. You can never fail. You can do it.
We give you all the glory. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. We give you all the glory. We worship